Hello my beautiful Gemini, this is Far Afraid, and in this video guys we are gonna see how your person thinks about you in the month of June 2020. So guys, here are the cards and they're getting shuffled for you my love. Let's see what's going on in their mind, with whom my beautiful Gemini is dealing with. Let's see guys, okay? What's going on in their mind? What's going on in their mind, okay? What they are thinking about you. Okay. Okay, what's your person is thinking about you? That's needs to be okay. Check properly. Let's see. Okay. So what I see over here is that someone is very slow. Okay, someone is very slow because you are holding back and they are holding back right now. Okay, I seen this reading that Gemini, you have been given an offer by this person, and knowingly or unknowingly you have missed the opportunity. Okay, you missed the opportunity of marriage. Okay, you missed an opportunity in the past. Okay, yeah, that's cool. Okay, what I see is over here, but still you got an opportunity regarding someone out there. Okay, you might be dealing with a person who wants to offer you stability, who want to offer you love. Okay, Gemini, what I see with the cards in front of me, that you want to get married, you want to have kids, you want to have family, you want to message somebody, text message, a lovey-dovey message I see over here. Okay, you might be dealing with a person who is younger in age, or his or her heart is younger. Okay, he thinks immaturely, though they might be young, or they might be older than you, but still their energy is very young. I just want to tell you guys that if you want to engage with this person, then you need to release all the negativity. Okay, that is a big issue with you my Gemini, within the relationship. Okay, what is the basic problem in this relationship? What is the basic problem? Okay. So my beautiful Gemini, there is someone in your life. Okay, those Gemini who were already married, or who were already in a relationship in the past, you need to release that person to get this new person back into your life. Okay, I see energy, very positive energy right now around you, and this energy might have given you an opportunity in the past which you have missed out. I don't know, that energy is still right now around you, but still I see the connection between you two is very strong, because this is the past life connection, what I see with the cards in front of me right now. And I know Gemini, you want to get connected with this person, but the problem is that you already miss an opportunity in the past. And second thing is that if you're already married or having kids, or you are still waiting for divorce, you need to release something before you move towards this new person. Okay, if you think you want to get married to this person, because I see a married life. Okay, the main thing about this relationship is holding back. You are also holding back, and they are also doing the same. Gemini, I just want to tell you one thing, and what is that one thing right now in front of me is that you need to meet this person. I see that the new person whom you might be dealing with, you need to meet this person as soon as possible. Okay, because most of you might not had a meeting, at least a single meeting with this person. And when you will meet this person in real life, on face to face, when you will look into their eyes, you will come to the realization that this is the perfect person, this is the one. Okay, I'm getting that. but I think you people were definitely involved somewhere else in the past, and that is making the issue very tough, because it is three of cups in reverse with a dead card. So basic problem is that you need to release something which is still lingering within you. Okay. What was there in the past? Okay. mm Got it. So what I see with the cards in front of me, guys, the person you're dealing with is not a liar, is not a cheater, but the person you're dealing with is very protective of himself. He or she really loves himself. Okay. This person comes little bit aggressive, not because he or she is aggressive. They are very diplomatic, because they comes aggressive because of only one reason, and that reason is all about keeping themselves safe from others. Okay. The person whom you are dealing with, as I told you, that they are holding back and all that stuff, but in the past I see with this person, it seems like they are the liar, they are cheater, they don't show their face, they don't show their emotions, who they are, where they live, what they do, but they are hiding and covering all those things to for their own benefit. They doesn't want to get hurt by anyone out there. What you need to do, what you need to do okay, what you need to do oh, okay, yeah. So I think you need to travel to meet this person. If there is a distance between you two, my love, okay, you need to travel. For that, I think if you have friends, you need to take help of them. It may be your family members, brothers, sisters. This relationship can be worked out in a long term way. It can be worked out as a good long term relationship. For that, you need to take a step, and step needs to take very cautiously. Okay. Because what I see with the cards in front of me, that the person you're dealing with definitely doesn't want to rush into any sort of relationship. They are very slow, and but when a person is slow, they are very much calculated regarding the situation and the future prospect. So I think if they commit to this relationship, definitely they are gonna be there for you at a long time. Because in this reading, I see the justice is in a pride condition. That is big thing. Okay. If you approach this person properly, you're gonna get that. For that, I just want to tell you that message is very important. Text message, calling, communication is the key to the success for this relationship right now. If you want to get married, I just want to tell you, Gemini, if you are single and want to get married, those Geminis who are single want to get married, if you have someone in your side, or if you like, or if you love someone, then the June 2020 is the best month to propose them for friendship, loveship, engagement, marriage proposal, anything, guys. 99% of chances of getting success in this month by your side. Chances of rejection is very low. Wow. So I think you people need to take the chance as much as possible. Okay, I got it. Good. Four of swords is in reverse. That's good. So what I see over here, the cards in front of me, guys, the person you're dealing with, what he or she does, they literally hold back. I mean, I just want to tell you one thing. To get this person attention, you need to show them that you are very caring, nurturing, and loving person, because this person is very homely type person. You might be dealing or wanting to get married to this person. Okay. But the basic problem is that, guys, if you if your past is there still in your life, it is going to haunt you in near future also. So before getting involved with this person, you need to delete everything. You need to get out of everything which was negative in your life. That means you need to release the person who is with you. I think there are a lot of negative people around you, my love. Okay, they are guiding you in a wrong way. Don't take the advice of them. If you want this person, then you need to put in efforts right now in the month of June, because the chances of getting success is way too more than you believe. I just have told you one thing. I'm repeating that. If you want this person, you need to show him or her that you are caring, nurturing, and very lovable person. Okay, why I'm telling you this? Because the four of swords is reverse. It's very perfect timing to get a clear picture with the ace of sword over here, and it is going to happen with the passionate communication with the page of wand. Passion. Okay. Good. So 8 of wands is coming in a pride condition. Okay, but you are scared of doing something with a fool card in reverse. Okay, but this is the Knight of Cups, which is in reverse. It's talk about that you, with the 8 of wands, you are very passionate about this relationship, but the Knight of Cups is in reverse. What he talks about, guys, you're trapped in your mind. What I see with the cards in front of me. Okay, you have a lot of passion. You want this person in your life by hook or by crook. You want them deadly. You want them, that means you want them. But the problem is that though you have a lot of passion, but you are not making up your mind. You, in your mind, you are a little bit stalemate. Should I do it? Should I not? Should I do it? Should I not? What if I will get rejected? Guys, I just want to tell you, June 2020 is the month where chances of getting success is more than rejection, around 99%. I see in June you can have a sex with this person. That means you can, मतलब क्या बोलूँ यार मैं, you can get married to this person and after that you can have sex. I just want to tell you that. Though the COVID-19 is going on, but the cards in front of me talks about what? It talks about a lot of clarity. Okay, because the issue is that the person you're dealing with is the one. Okay, the person whom you're dealing with is the one. But the basic issue, the basic problem is that you need to make up your mind. Okay, you need to come out of that stalemate situation, because what you're thinking is that nothing is going to be good with this person, or if it doesn't turn out good, what will happen? Guys, nobody knows the future, but I can tell with this card right now in front of me that if this person is very much cautious, okay, with his or her own life, then how much he is responsible for his or her future. Okay, the basic problem, I just want to tell you that you need to meet this person as much as possible. Face to face, eye to eye contacts is very important, because the person you're dealing with, you're thinking about him right now, is a marriage material. But you know, I just want to tell you one thing in one word: this is the one, this is the soulmate. You know, for some of you it is a past life connection, that's for sure. What my beautiful Gemini is hoping about, okay. So what I see with the cards in front of me, with the Tower, with the 6 of Pentacles in reverse, with the 5 of Wands, it talks about that you are thinking negative about this relationship. As per the clarity, as per the communication, as per the justice, as per the 10 of Cups, what I see with the cards in front of me, that you want this connection really badly. You want this connection really badly because you yourself knows that the person you're thinking right now is the one. Okay, but you're very much scared. The Tower moment can happen anytime. Guys, I just want to tell you one thing that is important, that before committing to this person, it's better to tell them everything. Okay, the more you hide, The more you hide things, the more you are going to get vulnerable in your future. So before getting into any relationship, I just want to tell you one thing: be truthful, be factful. Okay, tell everything about your life, how your life went, how you got married, and all that stuff. Do you have boyfriend, girlfriend, XYZ? You need to tell everything, because I don't want you people, if you get married to this person, because I see a strong communication of marriage. Because the more you will get open to this person, they are gonna accept you more than rejection. Because the passion is the key to the success, and you both are very passionate about each other. Gemini, you are passionate about this person, and this person is also passionate about you. But the problem is that the person you're dealing with doesn't show emotion, doesn't show love, and that is their problem. And what if we see that this person is liar? We see that this person is cheater. It doesn't show anything. They might be hiding something. It's not that they are hiding things. They are hiding their own emotion for their own benefit, own gain. They doesn't want to be vulnerable with anybody, because the person you're dealing with loves himself the most in the universe. They doesn't love their family, they doesn't love their friend, they doesn't love anybody. They love themselves first. So if you want to get such type of person, you just need to show them the caring, nurturing, loving side of yourself. I don't want you people to use or manipulate them with this reading. I just want to tell you the where they are going to melt their ice. They are in ice mode. You need to melt that ice, okay? And after melting that ice, you will see the real picture, okay? Why I'm telling you this, guys? The communication is very important. Why? How others sees this relationship? Why? How other people sees this relationship between you and them? Okay. So what I see is over here with the cards that you might be dealing with a person with whom you need to communicate more. As I told you guys earlier, that it's time to take help of your friends. Okay, a friend doesn't mean only just friend. It may be your family members, it may be your brothers, sisters, relative, anybody who is in connection with this person. Okay, you need to communicate this person as much as possible, because you are dealing with a person who is having soulmate type qualities. Okay, but the problem is that what you usually expected from your partner, they are a little bit different. I mean, you might have dated other peoples in the past, okay? One relationship, two relationship, or three relationship. You might have gone through a lot of phases in them. It may be physical abuse, it may be sexual abuse, XYZ, okay? But with this person, you are not going to face those issues, okay? In the past, if you had sex with those partner in the past, then this person, the new person, might be shy, okay? If those people who were in the past in your life, they were shy, then this person is going to be bold. So this person is definitely going to be opposite of their nature, okay? So if you think that this person is good for you, you should go for that, because this person is totally different from those person who you met in the past. And that's why this connection is very spiritual, because you people have gone through a lot of troubles. As I told you, you need to release something toxic in your own life, most probably a third party or your ex-partner or anybody, your toxic family, anybody, guys. Okay, I just want to tell you that, because they are holding you back. Why I see a sexual connection between you and them? Why I see? Good. Wow. So guys, what I see is over here, World card in a pride condition, Hangman, which is reverse. That's good, with a 5 of swords. I just want to tell you one thing, guys. I see a strong sexual romantic relationship between you two. The World card in a pride condition, it just talks about that you are going to meet your love of your life. I just want to tell you second thing, that is, this will be the most romantic relationship you ever had, okay, because this is a whole package. But the problem is that you are juggling because the Hangman is surrounded by 5 of swords. You are in your mind, should I do it, should I not, should I do it, should I not. Okay, so to get this person, you need to end something with the Five of Swords over here. Okay, and I see that if you have a little bit prideish or egoist behavior, then you need to uh, move from those side to, because the Hangman is in reverse. You need to make the relationship, make the flow very flexible right now, because I don't think the with the Five of Swords the you two are very flexible. Okay, don't limit yourself, because the person you are dealing with is going to complete you with the World card over here, the best romantic partner ever had. Romance is not all about the sex. Romance is not about the getting end up in the bed in the room. Romance is overall commitment, spiritual level, family level, bedroom level, any all what comes is the perfect romantic connection, and that is going to happen with you. Okay, so I just want to tell you one thing. They might have hint you in the past that yes, they are searching for something like this, like that, and you have definitely missed an opportunity with this person. I know, Gemini, that you wanna end up with this person in an engagement, in a marriage, but you had your own past, and you need to be very much clear about your past, because that past is going to trouble you in the future. So it's better to clear everything with your person. Okay, because the person is the one. I don't want you people to miss, because until and unless you tell them the truth, until and unless you propose them, I don't think that, guys, this person is going to open up to you, because you have already tried lot of things in the past, but that is not getting success with this particular person. Okay, so for that you might be taking help of your friends. You might be chatting with them with other user IDs, WhatsApp, different WhatsApp numbers and all that. You might be checking that if he or she is dealing with someone else or not, what I see with the cards in front of me. But in the end, you will come to know that he is the one. Okay, I see a very strong communication is going to be there for you, very passionate communication, but your mind is not ready. You're going to date, or you're going to be with a person in near future which you never ever thought of being with such type of person. And I see a very happy life in future with this particular person. And more and less, guys, more and less they knows everything about you. Okay, so it's better they find themselves. I wanna tell you that please tell them everything what you have gone through before getting into a relationship, because I see a very strong relationship is waiting for you. Okay, so this was a reading for you, my love, for the June 2020.